Hello and welcome to our video tutorial series. In this tutorial, we will show you how to use tags for your orders. Log into our panel, click on the billing menu item on the sidebar, and navigate to your orders page. On the right side, you will see the tags column. That's where your order tags will show up if you have set them up for your orders. Let's add some tags to our order. Click on the View button to go into your order and enter some tags into the tag input field. Let's enter, for example, the Customer 1 and Special Project tags. Since tags are automatically saved, we can simply go back to the orders list, and you will see those tags displayed next to the order you just updated. Essentially, these nifty little markers will allow you to organize your orders very efficiently. Moreover, tags will be visible on invoices, enabling you to organize your billing more easily than before. Pretty cool, right? We hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to visit our knowledge base or simply contact our support team.